In front of me is OPPO A57s, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode on this OPPO. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down. Then choose special features. After that, you need to choose simple mode and click on enter simple mode over here. Then wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, easy mode is on. If you wish to switch it off, you can do that by tapping on settings, clicking on exit simple mode and confirming your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!